Large-scale commercial vehicle crashes can cause long traffic delays, secondary crashes, and jeopardize the safety of the traveling public and first responders. As a way to address this issue, the Florida Department of Transportation's Rapid Incident Scene Clearance Program, or RISC, was created to provide an incentive to qualified heavy-duty towing companies to clear incidents where typical medium and light-duty wreckers are not capable of clearing the road. Traffic operators at FDOT's Transportation Management Center monitor the highways for events 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. TMC operators detect and verify all highway incidents, and during a RISC call, document all of the critical times for notification, response, and clearance. RISC is typically activated for incidents involving tractor-trailers, lost loads, buses, motorhomes, or similar type vehicles. Once RISC has been activated, the clock immediately starts ticking. To receive the full incentive payment, the RISC contractor must arrive on scene within 60 minutes with a 35 and 50-ton wrecker, one of which must contain a rotator boom. Along with the wreckers, a third support vehicle is required that contains various tools and traffic control equipment. To also receive the incentive, the contractor must clear the highway from white line to white line within 90 minutes of notice to proceed or authorization to begin the recovery process. During a RISC demonstration held at the Miami-Dade Fire Rescue Training Facility, FDOT showcased a controlled scenario involving an overturned tractor-trailer with all traffic incident management partner agencies, including the Road Ranger Service Patrol, the Florida Highway Patrol, COF's Towing, FDOT's Incident Response Vehicle, Miami-Dade Fire Rescue, and the FDOT Asset Maintenance Contractor, ICA. One of FDOT's key incident response programs, the Road Rangers, patrol limited access highways and are typically one of the first to arrive on scene. They set up safety cones and use truck-mounted arrow boards for maintenance of traffic to keep traffic moving, protect the crash scene, and create a safe environment for the first responders. The Florida Highway Patrol is a key agency during RISC activations. They can activate RISC, give notice to proceed, start and stop the RISC clock, and confirm all lanes clear for the RISC contractor. They must work closely with the FDOT TMC to ensure all these times are documented. Communication between the TMC and on-scene personnel is critical. One important representative at a RISC event is the Incident Response Vehicle operator, who serves as FDOT's on-scene incident commander and communicates all RISC benchmark times back to the TMC. When the RISC contractor arrives at the scene, he meets with the incident command team to determine the safest and most efficient method to clear the crash. In this demonstration, both RISC heavy-duty wreckers were simultaneously hooked up to the trailer to lift and remove it off the crushed vehicle with one occupant still trapped inside. Once the trailer is removed from atop the vehicle, Fire Rescue declares the scene safe to recover the victim, and FHP makes the call to stop the RISC clock. The RISC clock can also be stopped during extenuating circumstances such as fatality investigations, cargo spills, or hazardous material incidents that are out of the control of the RISC contractor. While these quick clearance efforts are taking place, FDOT maintenance and/or asset management contractors respond to relieve road rangers and attend to any roadway damage or structural repairs needed. Once Fire Rescue safely removes the victim, the RISC clock is restarted and the RISC contractor completes the task to safely clear the scene and restore the travel lanes. This not only includes removing the vehicles, but also sweeping the highway of debris, cleaning up small fluid spills, and using road patch supplies. The Rapid Incident Scene Clearance Program is a component of the Traffic Incident Management Team, which promotes coordination, communication, and cooperation between on-scene emergency responders. Before the RISC program was implemented, average travel lane clearance for large-scale commercial vehicle crashes was 190 minutes. Since the implementation of RISC, Travel lane clearance for the same incident types has been reduced to 68 minutes, or by 179%. For more information about the RISC program, log on to sunguide.org.